While many electric scooters on the market have very similar design and specs, the TROXUS T1 Pro caught my attention because of some unique design and features. I tested the scooter for about a month and really enjoyed it. The TROXUS stands out of the crowd with its edgy design. This is a bold attempt to compete with other brands, as most scooters play safe with a soft and curvy look. The T1 Pro does not only have a strong design, but also an amazing build quality. The whole scooter feels very sturdy, and in fact, this is the heaviest e-scooter I have ever used. It weighs 45 pounds, while my previous scooters weighed less than 30 pounds. The extra weight is due to the dual battery design. Unlike others, it includes two batteries in both the handle post and the standing deck. You can remove the battery in the handle post easily and recharge it using the included charging dock. When you plug the charger directly to the scooter, it will recharge both batteries at the same time. Thanks to the dual batteries, the T1 Pro range is really impressive, nearly doubles the range of my other scooters. According to the manufacturer, the maximum range could reach 37 miles. I really love the design of this scooter, but it becomes a little inconvenient when I have to fold and unfold it or carry it around. The folding mechanism is simple, but it's not really easy to push the latch down every time I need to fold or unfold it. Another disadvantage is that the front wheel is lifted up after folding, so the scooter stands on the rear wheel and the front edge of the deck. This would damage the surface after a few weeks of use. The TROXUS features a powerful 350-watt motor, but I don't see any difference when comparing it with 250-watt and 300-watt scooters. It is even weaker than some scooters with 350-watt motors, and it struggles when climbing some moderate hills. This is probably because it is significantly heavier than others. Having said that, it still performs very well on even roads. I often ride it at the speed of around 12 miles per hour, so the maximum speed of 15 miles per hour is good enough for me. The rides are quite stable and comfortable on 9.3-inch non-pneumatic tires. I love that the LED lights on the TROXUS are very bright, and apart from the front LED light on the handlebar, it has extra front lights on the deck as well. The lights are helpful to get me visible when riding after sunset. Unfortunately, the LED display is not that bright, and it is almost impossible to see the numbers outdoors. To conclude, here are all pros and cons of the TROXUS T1 Pro. Pros: unique design, amazing battery range, bright LED lights, reasonable price. Cons: cumbersome design, difficult to fold or unfold, dim LED display. If a cool design and long battery range are your priorities, the TROXUS T1 Pro is a really good electric scooter and worth considering, especially when it costs just around $450 at the moment.